On Thursday, the Sorrell College of Business hosted GEEKS Speak with guest speaker Melody Smelko. Smelko is the current CEO of Altrua Global Solutions, a marketing and advertising agency located out of Tallahassee, Florida. They primarily deal with the food industry as well as branding for 26 collegiate schools. And their biggest client is McDonald's.
We have been a nationally approved supplier with McDonald's across the country in the U.S. since 1991. And it has grown and grown and grown, and I can tell you that you have to earn the respect and the service for them every day.
In her presentation, she talked about her business, its growth, some clientele, some examples of her company's marketing, as well as positive business practices, while also understanding the importance of working with people, with the big focal point being the philosophy that the company endorses.
I think it's just being a good partner to your client, and if you call a company, you want to make sure they can take care of you, or at least get you where you need to be taken care of. And yes, it can be done philosophy. It's about 90% of the job, and it's a mindset.
Altrua was among one of the fastest growing businesses of 2017. With their success and massive growth, Smelko was brought in to give business students the perspective of being in a big company from a high-up position.
Today's lecture was really unique in the fact that it talked about really positive business practices and what it takes to run a business with integrity. And I think that that's something that isn't talked about enough these days, is just running a business with humility and passion. And so it was really great to hear Mrs. Smelko talk about that.
Stuart Bradly, Troy, TrojanVision News.